Ever tried building a nightclub next to nursery school? Imagine you've just bought your dream land, ready to build your dream house.
Oh my God! Wow!
Only to find out you can't because the government says nope. Talk about a nightmare, right? Zoning rules are like those annoying class captains from school, but this time for land. They tell you what you can and what you can't do with your property. They are the chairman of what you can do to your property. Want to open a chicken farm in Lekki Phase 1? Sorry, that's not gonna happen. These rules decide what kind of buildings you can put up on your land, then how much of your land you can build, then what business can operate on that land. So before you drop all that ad in cash on the property, make sure you check these zoning rules. Trust me, it's way less painful than finding out later after you've built everything that your plans for a rooftop bar in a residential area are a no-go area. Remember, in Nigeria, we don't just follow rules. We find creative ways around them. But with zoning, it's better to play it safe. Let landproperty.ng help you find the perfect spot for your dreams and keep you out of trouble totally. Don't let zoning restriction zone you out of your dreams. Hit us up by dialing the number on the screen and let's make your property goals a reality legally. My name is Aduni and you are watching landproperty.ng.